The concepts of community development and engagement, I think, really mean to me, are there ways that we can support thriving communities throughout the region? How do you reduce economic disparities, especially in communities of color or Native populations? How do we get in and try to solve collectively or collaboratively some of the most intractable issues that we've faced across our region for quite some time? I think the bank absolutely has a role in community development and engagement from the perspective of, if not every member of our society or our community is thriving, then our economy can't perform at maximum employment or can't perform to its fullest potential. If we have a segment of our community or segment of our society that's not performing 100% to their full potential, then we're really missing out on that opportunity. I would say all of my past work experience has really kind of been at the intersection of kind of policy and implementation. And that's either in infrastructure or in public health or in trying to improve governance in different places. And so really it's about looking at trying to creatively solve problems with partners. And I've done that pretty much in every role that I've had. I actually feel pretty fortunate that on my first day, I had the opportunity to be in Washington, D.C. and meet with all of the other community development folks from around the system, around the bank, to kind of hear from them about things that they're working on and the ways that they interact and engage with their communities. I also had the opportunity to hear from Chair Powell about his perspective on what the work of community development is. It was kind of an inspiring moment to see both Chair Powell and former Chair Yellen talk about the importance of the work of community development for the Federal Reserve Bank, but also for our nation's economy.